Hello again. Today I bring you another tutorial on cracking WEP encrypted networks. This time we are going to see how to do so on a network without clients. Similar to the previous tutorials, we are going to do the same initial 3 or 4 steps, where we turn our wireless card onto monitor mode, find the networks within range, and then start the capture file. Before we do this, while we use this method, we are going to need to know the MAC address of our wireless card. We can find that out by running the command macchanger-s wlan1. Note down your current MAC address before continuing. If you wish to be cautious, there are ways to change your MAC address. However, we will not be going over this in this tutorial. Next, we will start our wireless card into monitor mode with airmon-ng start wlan1. Now we're going to find the networks in range with airodump-ng wlan1 mon. Control C to cancel, and as usual I will be targeting the network lab Wi-Fi. Now we will need to start our capture file with airodump-ng -c2 --bssid. We're going to copy the BSSID. And then we are going to give a name to our file. In this case, I'm going to save it to the root folder with the name Clientless WEP. And then end the command with wlan1 mon. As you can see, there is no station that is found on the network. The next step that we will be doing is our fake authentication attack with airplay-ng-160 so that we re-authenticate every 60 seconds. -a, the access point MAC address, wlan1 mon. Now we will be doing what is called a fragmentation attack. We will do so by running the command airplay-ng-5-b, the access point MAC address, -h, the MAC address of your wireless card, wlan1 mon. When you get the prompt, we're going to select Y for yes. And as you can see in our home folder, we have a new file called fragment with the .xor file extension. We will be using this to craft our packet, and we will do so with the following command: packet forge -ng -0 -a, the access point MAC address, -h, the wireless card's MAC address, -l, and we're going to insert the source IP address. In this case, I'm going to use 192.168.1.100, -k, the destination address, which I'm going to put 192.168.1.255, -y, and then we're going to place the XOR file, -w, and then we're going to give a name to our file. In this case, I'm going to save it to the root folder and call it forged. As you can see in the home directory, we now have a file called forged. Now we will be injecting this packet into the network by using the command airplay-ng-2-r, and then we're going to place the forged file followed by wlan1mon. When prompted, we're going to select Y for yes. And now you can see, once it functions properly, that the data field will increase rapidly. Sometimes you may wish to wait a while for the data to keep increasing to generate more IVs. Once you feel that you have waited long enough, you can run the aircrack command, followed by the capture file. In this case, it didn't take long at all, and we found out that the key is cafedad123.